What if I told you there is a credit union that is quietly giving out $25,000 credit cards to people with low credit scores? And anyone can join. Yes, I said anyone. But what if I also told you this credit union is serving auto loans with no payments for 90 days, first-time home buyer programs, recreational vehicle loans, and business credit cards up to $50,000. And let's not forget about a brand new $50,000 personal credit card that nobody, and I mean nobody, is talking about. Would you believe me? And even though I'm under the weather, I felt like this is super important for me to get this information out to you as fast as I possibly could because it's very valuable. So buckle up, ladies and gentlemen, because in today's video, I'm breaking down exactly why Skyla Credit Union is the biggest cheat code of 2025 and how you can walk away with potentially over $100,000 in personal credit using the exact plays I'm about to show you. Now, I'm breaking this down into 6 power plays you do not want to skip because if you miss even one detail, your approvals might drop, your limits might shrink, and you'll leave money on the table. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Jumping into part number 1. As I said earlier, anyone can join Skyla Credit Union. Anyone. Let's go ahead and clear the biggest myth first, of course. You don't have to be in a special region, not a military requirement. No, you don't have to work for a specific employer, and not any of that. We only accept these counties nonsense. Nope, none of that. You don't have to go on their website and search eligibility or none of that. Just literally go to the main website and click the big orange button. Let's put it up on the screen right here. The big orange button that says start here, and follow the process and fill out all the information, and then Skyla will actually do the rest for you and then reach out to you and set up your free account. Because the best part is Skyla handles the ACC membership for you. Translation, no residency restrictions, no employer restrictions, no loophole, no gatekeeping. Anyone watching this video can join from anywhere in the United States. And here's what gets even better. Skyla is bad credit friendly, but they're not Credit Karma friendly. So let's be really clear. You need a real FICO score, ideally between 620 and 640 or higher. And that is for new members that have bad credit. And before you ask, they only pull from TransUnion. If your Experian is wrecked or your Equifax is bruised, Skyla doesn't care. One credit pool, one opportunity, and one clean lane. This is already better than 99% of major banks. I don't know how many different ways I have to tell people, stop putting your money in these massive banks and bank with credit unions. It is the way to go. Now let's jump into part number 2, the foundation play. Now I want you to listen closely because this is where everyone messes up. I have thousands of subscribers who join credit unions and instantly apply for credit cards, auto loans, and lines of credit. And then they DM me saying, Mike, I got denied, what happened? What happened is simple. You didn't build a foundation as I taught you to. Because even if you have a top tier credit score, credit unions do not approve off of just your credit score alone. They approve based on internal history, relationship, deposit behavior, and trust. This is the exact foundation play that you must run with Skyla or any legit credit union. And this is very simple. This isn't some mathematical equation. Let's jump into step number 1 of how to build this foundation. Open up a checking and savings. As soon as you join, you open both. Enroll in e-statements, activate your debit card, use it a few times. This starts to build internal member profile. Now let's repeat that again. This starts building your internal member profile. If you open an account with a credit union, you don't use the debit card, you don't use the account. They have no data to actually pull from to build your internal profile. So understand, you have to actually use the credit union. Now, step number 2, which is the biggest of all, add direct deposit. This is the secret handshake. Deposit at least $500 per month. This is going to unlock your 4% APY checking account. This is huge. 4% APY is basically free passive income. Navy Federal doesn't do this, Chase doesn't do this, Wells Fargo damn sure doesn't do this. Skyla is basically rewarding you for being a member. Step number 3, the secured loan play. This is the pure gold part. You take out a 24-month secured loan at the least term possible. Don't do a 6-month, don't do a 12-month. 24 months is perfect because it's going to add age of credit to your credit profile. You don't want to add 6 months or 12 months, that's too short because you're going to open a new account and then you're going to close it and that's not going to look good on your credit profile and it's going to do damage and actually lower your credit score if you do a short-term loan. Do not put it on auto payment just yet. You want to wait for it to hit your credit report. Now, once it hits your credit report on Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, all three of them, you want to pay down 80 to 90% of the loan and put the remaining amount on auto payment for the remainder of the loan. Let it ride the remaining months because this is going to do three things for you. Number one, it's going to build long-term payment history. Two, it's going to drop your debt to income ratio. And three, this makes Skyla love you and approve you. Now, before you come into the comments, you say, oh, they don't offer that. You got to go in person. Call them and do it over the phone. I know for a fact because I talked to one of the reps, because a lot of people came into the comments when I talked about this. I think it was around during the summertime when we talked about this. And people said, well, they don't offer it. Yes, they do. Just be super kind, be super nice, and talk to the representative that's helping you, and they'll walk you through the process. If all else fails, you can do a CD also as another option. This exact play is what has helped people get $25,000 credit cards, $50,000 lines of credit, auto loans, and business approvals. But you have to run this play for a minimum of 6 to 8 months. Now, the biggest question is, can you do this in 91 days? Yes, if you have a strong credit profile already. But if you want the highest limits possible, I recommend you do this for a full 6 to 8 month runway. We want to build enough history so that the actual credit union has data points to give you a higher limit. That's gonna be our goal all the time. So go the long path. I highly recommend this. I wanna give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with a 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Brandon, Brandon's credit score went up 185 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Ashley's credit score went up 218 points after just 2 rounds with Dispute Beast. But let's not forget about Julio. Julio's credit score went up 266 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast link is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Now let's jump into part number 3, which is Skyla's credit cards. Now, Skyla has 2 major personal credit cards that are available today. And they have a third one that has also just released that nobody is talking about and has a huge potential of breaking the internet. So let's go through them, starting with card number 1, the Platinum Rewards credit card. Now, this credit card comes in with a 0% APR on purchases for the first 12 months. Now, it also comes with up to a $25,000 credit limit. Let's repeat that, up to a $25,000 credit limit. No annual fee, 25-day grace period, rewards and flexibility. This isn't a starter card. This is a real high limit credit card for people with 620 to 640 plus FICO scores. And also be aware that they do have a current bonus offer of 10,000 bonus points when you spend up to $1,000 in 3 months. Let's put it up on the screen so everyone can see this part right here, because you can earn rewards with this credit card. Now, I've never been a fan of the reward systems of credit unions because they're not the same as the high tier credit cards, but at least you're still getting something instead of nothing. Now, moving on to card number 2, which is the Platinum card. Now, this is a 0% APR on balance transfers credit cards with a credit limit up to $25,000. And the best part, this is a no annual fee credit card with a 25-day grace period. So if you have debt to move around, this is your tool to help you save on those crazy high interest rates on other credit cards that are usually about over 29%. Now, this is the important part on how to stack the foundation properly. If you run the foundation play correctly, which is a checking and savings, a direct deposit, a secured loan play, or a CD, 6 to 8 months of seasoning. Now, can you realistically get all of the credit they actually have available? That's gonna be up to the credit union. Always remember that, because everyone's credit profile is completely different. Because remember, you have a $25,000 rewards card, a $25,000 Platinum card. That's 2 cards, 1 credit pool for a $50,000 potential exposure. But we're not done yet. Moving on to part number 4, auto and home loans. Skyla's auto loans are one of of the best kept secrets in the credit union world. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to skip your first month payment for 90 days. Do you know how many credit unions don't do that, or any banks, period? You're gonna have the ability to get new cars, used cars, refinancing, which they're running a special on refinancing right now also, motorcycles, boats, jet skis, RVs, ATVs. Now rates start at 3.99% for 0 to 48 months, 4.99% for 49 to 60 months, and 5.50% for 69 to 72 months. Now moving on to part number 5, the 4% APY passive income gem. Let me repeat this loud and clear. Skyla pays you 4% APY every single month if you direct deposit $500 plus a month, use your debit card 20 times a month, and enroll in e-statements. That's pretty easy, to be honest with you, because you should be able to hit all 3 of those simple. So think about it like this. If you buy groceries, gas, coffee, or lunch, you're already swiping more than 20 times a month. This is free passive income. Most major banks don't even give you 0.2%. Skyla gives you 4%. I don't know why people aren't talking about this even more. Now, the part that a lot of people have been waiting for, part number 6, business credit. If you live in North Carolina, South Carolina, California, you just unlocked a gold mine, because Skyla does offer $50,000 business cards also. Commercial real estate loans, business lines of credit, and term loans. If your LLC is in one of those states, run, don't walk. This can change the entire trajectory of your business. Now moving on to the bonus, the new $50,000 credit card nobody is talking about. This is the exact part that made me drop everything and record this video even though I'm under the weather and I feel like crap, because Skyla has dropped a brand new $50,000 personal credit card that nobody is talking about. Not bloggers, not YouTubers, not TikTokers, no credit forums, nobody. This new $50,000 card puts you in a position to stack a $25,000 platinum rewards, $25,000 platinum card, and a $50,000 new card, all equal up to $100,000 in personal credit if you build a relationship properly and your credit profile can actually withstand this. Because let's be honest, not everybody can get all of these. A lot of you are out there thinking that, why can't I? Well, do you have the credit profile to back it up is a real big question. Do you actually earn enough to back these credit cards up? A lot of factors will go into that, so it's gonna vary from person to person. Not everyone's gonna qualify for this. If you want a shot at this card, you must become a member now, open a checking and savings, add direct deposit, run the secured loan play or CD, and let it season for a minimum of 6 to 8 months. Apply for the $25,000 cards or the $50,000 and be ready for the new $50,000 credit card that nobody's talking about. This is exactly how you build real credit. This is how you secure real funding. This is how you flip your entire financial future. Now, if you have bad credit and you're sitting at home thinking, Mike, this all sounds amazing, but my credit's trash, then make sure to watch this video right here, because it's gonna show you how AI can do all the work for you, fix your credit, mail the letters, and it comes with a 110% money back guarantee. And if you felt that I brought you some value today, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.